Hey, how's it going everyone? Yanis here from Agile channel, and I'm going to show you what to do if your iPhone is frozen or won't turn off or restart. Let's say that your iPhone screen froze and it didn't do anything, or your iPhone does not seem to respond in any app, or maybe you can swipe through the home screen but you are not able to open any apps. Even the screen won't go to sleep until it died. Then you want to turn off your iPhone with the power button and it won't let you. In this video, I'm gonna help you out, and the first method is perform a forced restart. Simply force turn off and reset your iPhone. When your iPhone is frozen or not responding, a simple restart might not work, as your iPhone is in a start state that it fails to recognize you holding down the power button and the volume button. So if your iPhone has frozen and won't turn off, a forced restart can revive it. Don't worry for that. A forced restart does not delete anything on your iPhone. It's harmless. Now let's get started to see how a forced restart fixes a frozen iPhone. The steps, the button combinations, will depend on your model. We will also leave a link for this in the card above or in the description below. First, I'm gonna start with iPhone 8 and later model, including iPhone 10, iPhone SE second generation, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone 11, and iPhone 12. It's a 3-button procedure and involves volume up button, volume down button, and side button. So press and release volume up button, press and release volume down button, then press and hold the side button until your iPhone turns off and turns back on. Release the side button when the Apple logo appears. This can take up to 20 seconds. If you are getting an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both volume down button and the side button until you see the Apple logo. After your iPhone turns off and turns back on, it's not frozen anymore. You can swipe screen to screen and enter any apps that's ever unresponsive. To force restart an iPhone 6 or any older model, I'm gonna press and hold both 3-way button and the home button until you see the Apple logo appears on the screen. Let your iPhone power off itself and boot up again. There you go, your iPhone has rebooted and is back to normal with a forced restart. In fact, forcing a phone to restart is an effective fix for many iOS and iPadOS issues and bring back a frozen iPhone. If your iPhone is still frozen or you can't restart it, the iOS may be corrected. You need to reinstall the operating system. I'm gonna use iOS System Recovery software here. You can get a program from Agile.com. It's smart enough to fix your iPhone screen frozen and won't turn off. If your iPhone screen is black or is unresponsive or is stuck when you boot it up, the software could help you solve the system level bug. So launch the software on your computer. Click More Tools. Click iOS System Recovery. Click Start. Now connect your iPhone to your computer. Once it's connected, choose Standard Mode. It's good enough for minor software problems. Click Confirm. Now select an iOS firmware for your iPhone and download it instantly. Wait for the download to finish. And once done, click Fix to remedy the issue. Rest assured, this process is harmless and it won't erase your data. If the standard mode fails to fix your iPhone that is frozen, though it can handle with 90% of the software glitches, returns to the previous steps and use the advanced mode. Now your iPhone will restart with the corrected iOS fixed. Use the device or open any apps to see if it freezes. This is another case that someone may experience. The iPhone starts malfunctioning and has frozen out when you are on a FaceTime call, or you can restart your phone and cannot go to apps. In these situations, you need to go to App Store and update apps. The update should fix the bug that is causing your iPhone to freeze. It's also important to make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings tab, tap General, tap Software Update, and then download and install the software. If these two methods do not work, you will need to force restart your iPhone to shut it down and then reboot it. For a better result, use iOS system recovery to troubleshoot software issues with your frozen iPhone. If none of works for you, your iPhone may have problems with hardware. The display is broken or is black and not responding when you touch on it or even you charge it. You need to contact Apple support or take it to Genius Bar to get it repaired. So that's all showing you how to fix an iPhone that is frozen and won't turn off or reset. Hopefully this video helps you out. And if this really get your iPhone unfreeze, please give a like, subscribe to AdGeekers channel for more amazing iPhone tips and tricks. You can also leave your comment below. See you in the next video.